Hey guys, what's up? My name is Leah J. If you don't know who I am, I'm Leah J. But anyway, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, what's up? How you doing? But anyway, hi guys. So I'm going to tell you about today's video. Short intro. It's going to be about my friend doing my nails today. How I get coffin nails. Basically, it's not going to be me doing it because I don't know how. But my friend's going to be doing it. I'm going to be doing the voiceover. She told me what to say, what to do. I'm going to show you how to get these coffin nails. I'm also going to tell you the products I'll be using. It's the Cura style. I don't know the name. Here it is. This is how it came in the box. It's very affordable for anyone out there who has a low budget. But yeah, it's pretty good. It comes with gel, powder, the light, and everything. And you get these coffin shaped nails already shaping for you. So you don't have to go through all the drama of cutting and buffing and all that kind of stuff. It already comes in coffin nail shape, so you're already fine. So basically that's it. So please sit back, enjoy the video. It's sped up so you don't have to wait all that long time watching her put on stuff. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Let's get to it. Okay, first off, she has to buff my natural nails because if you don't buff them, nothing's going to stick, nothing's going to turn out right. So step one, you basically have to buff the natural nail. Okay, so now what you have to do is cut the cuticles because no one likes buildup on their cuticles, and plus it'll make your nails look 10 times better. So cut them. Okay, now before we start putting the tips on, before we do any of that, we have to buff out the shininess in the tips because if you don't, they won't stick to your nails after the whole glue process. So make sure you buzz some of that off on the inside so the gel tips can stick and it'll look so sexy. Okay, after buzzing all of the shininess off in the tips, we have to do the step one, is prep the nail. So you have to apply one coat to prep the natural nail before you do anything else. So right now my friend is prepping my nails, so we can begin. Now after the prep, now we have to prime the natural nail. Basically another step before you put on the jelly tips. So now she's just priming up my nail to get me ready. Now it's time to put the builder on. I got put on a thin layer on my natural nails to cure for 30 seconds with the flash cure LED lamp to make sure everything's right. And then I apply a builder under the jelly tip, only on the area of the tip that will come in contact with my natural nail. The consistency is very gooey. So it's going to be, it looks kind of nasty, but trust me, your nails are going to look great. As you see here, my friend applied the jelly tip on my natural nail. So you can see that she had to press it down and put it under the light. Right there is nice and tight and is not going anywhere. I'm telling you, this is very sturdy. So basically, my friend had to press it down for at least 10 seconds and then put it under the LED light for 30 seconds. So make sure nothing will come off and it'll be great. Okay, now she officially put all the tips on. They're all coffin nail, like I said before. So luckily she don't have to shape nothing because, like I said, it already comes coffin nail. Hallelujah! But anyway, right now she's going to take off the shine off the jelly tip to make sure everything's nice. She has to file it, but luckily we have our own. But she also, Kira Sky, she has her own little kit. I'll put that in the description below so you can get the kit. But yeah, she has to get the jelly tip to take the surface to make the shininess go away. So yeah. Now my friend is done buffing. Now she's taking off the excess dust off my fingernails before we add the top coat to really cure the nail set to make sure everything's fine and perfect. Now it's time to do the colored powder. So right now she is using the base to base off my nails first before we put the powder color on, because you have to do that. It's the rules. But now she's putting the base of my nail before the powder so everything can go on slick and shiny. As you see right here, my friend's dipping my finger in the pink powder. So she's doing it once because you don't need to do it a bunch of times. So she did it once and now she's putting the base on another finger, and it's going to do it for basically all 10 of my fingers. After all of that, she's completely done. She's dusting off the excess dust. We use the medium pink color because I love like a blush pink. So she used that on my nail. She's completely done. She added the white top coat as you see on the side. She did an amazing job. Right now we're just doing the light for the top coat to add a little shine to it so you guys can see the results. I mean, she did an incredible job. I love her. She is the best. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. My friend, she did a killer job on my nail for free because she's my best friend in the whole world. She did my nails and she did a damn good job, as you see right here. These have got barbecue sauce on it that I had chicken. So yeah, these have barbecue sauce, but she did my nails. They came out great. They feel good. Ah, I love them. Plus, they're my favorite color, like ballerina slipper. I love me my color nails. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe and press the notification bell to see what new videos I'm putting up every week. Please guys, I have nothing else to do. I would love to read comments if I have more than 2. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Please come back here next week on Monday to see what else I'm posting. I'm just so unpredictable. I could post on Monday but really post on Tuesday. I'm joking. But anyway, thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!